Here's something that you can't do with a regular stump grinder that you can do with the SG30 on a Mini. You could probably pull this off with a full-size skid also. Notice how I've reached over into this garden bed while driving on these steps right here, and even though the depth of cut on this machine is limited to 11 inches because of the tilt functionality of the Bobcat, I'm able to set my framework down there and reach this stump, which you wouldn't be able to get to without disassembling this bed otherwise. So this is an awesome tool for this type of a situation. And there are other situations too, many situations that this same functionality would be possible only with the track loader type grinder or with the grinder attachment for a Bobcat. So you can see we're in a situation that most likely a normal stump grinder wouldn't have been able to get down here. I'll get down at the level of the stump. So I'm down here and the Bobcat is up there. 1, 2, 3 steps height. These are the steps here. 1, 2, 3. And that's how high I am above the stump. Yeah, see, there's the stump there. 1, 2, 3. Well, it's 4 up there. Those steps might be different, but I was able to get in here. This shroud kept me off the wall. I was a little concerned that I might take my carbides into that wall, but at no point did that happen. I'm low enough now to where this stump isn't a bother to my wife anymore. You see, I was able to maneuver in through kind of an interesting spot. I don't know if an ordinary stump grinder could do that, especially not with the tilt, that I've been able to achieve a much deeper level of grind because of that. I'm not saying that's what Bobcat wants you to do, but I think that's probably what machines like this are meant for. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.